Oh, it's fine. It fell. Let's hit these bikers. Oh. I can see your body moving.
I'm really bad at this.
No, just holds it. The glove holds it. Will it come to the camera?
No, I don't think so.
The glove holds it. This is iconic. Take a picture. Hold on.
Road.
Oh, the glove is holding. Wait, we're turning right. Oh, we're turning right.
In 3/4 of a mile. Turn left on
We
Graham
need
Road.
a hand recording your vlog. It's like all sunroof.
Most of this highlight video is me fixing the camera.
You should just like trim it up so it's just only moments of you fixing the camera. There's nothing else.
I'm just going to
Like a
edit.
bloopers video.
I'm going to edit one version that's just me reaching up and fixing the camera. So funny. I'm dead.
Or like do like a Bailey touching the camera tally in the corner.
I just want it to like,
Sit still.
yeah, and be like an actual camera instead of like falling forward.
Or like the sunroof.
Yeah.
Oh, we're turning
Turn
left.
left on Graham Road.
No, we're not. Go straight. Go straight. Hey.
In 2.9 miles.
Tonight.
Turn right.
I do like how it connects to Spotify, so I can just like do that.
Oh, switch the song.
Yeah.
I love how the camera keeps like falling back.
It's dynamic. How many perspectives can we get? Oh. Alright. Okay. Go box, I see you. Here you go. Oh, that's the right lane. It's the right lane. Your pop socket's not doing justice.
It's not. Hello. Is this legal?
Turn right.
Oh, we just have to like.
Frick my neck. Yield.
I look like half the time it looks like I don't have a nose.
Yeah, because the sun's right on our face.
Yeah.
Turning left.
Turn left on Norton Road.
Ew, it's like you're like 2008 MySpace profile picture. It's so like the only things you can see is your eyes and your mouth. You know?
Yeah. One more time. Oh, I just sang the words wrong.
One last time.
One more time.
Oh.
There it is.
She does say oh yeah.
Oh, she does say
The
it.
second time, yeah. I almost did it, but then I could have, and then I.
Turn right to State Route 8 North.
Hey.
Hey. It's funny when it falls though.
It is funny.